joined the Roll of Honour this morning is the ASA Marketing Group.
Brilliant.
All Ireland All-Star Brand Merchandise Company. And a huge welcome this morning to Michelle Johnson for 2 years in a row. And as part of our tribe, I've done a lovely interview with Michelle there a couple of weeks ago, which is going to be published on the Tribe Time. So you're very, very welcome, Michelle. 2 years in a row, a fantastic achievement. And also to be named as All Ireland All-Star Brand Merchandise Company. Congratulations.
Thanks so much, Elaine. We're absolutely thrilled.
Michelle, you simply are the best at this in the country. Can you accept that compliment?
Gosh, it's a massive compliment, Kieran. We're really humbled. So we really appreciate it. And my sister Caroline is online, and my parents are online. And Judith.
Wonderful.
As well. So it's great that we can all be here virtually. So
congratulations to all of you. But it's just, I suppose, you were like a ruby in a mountain of rocks when we met you last year. We found you and plucked you out from kind of relative obscurity. But we just thought when the second year came around, we had come to know you over the year. And you had been doing business with another all-star. I won't tell you who it was, but another all-star was singing your praises. So you made it to best in class. So I'm going to ask you a direct marketing question. How do you think ASA will be able to leverage this status as being the top of the pile, so to speak, in branded merchandise?
Well, we'll certainly do our best. We're spending a lot of time on social media at the moment, and we have a great team who are working tirelessly on coming up with the new ideas and getting the message out to customers that we're very much open for business. So for the team, it's fantastic because it's been a tough couple of months, and it's just it's so great to have something nice to communicate out to our customers and suppliers. So we're thrilled. Agreed.
Now, we touched on it earlier. There's that young gifting company from County Tipperary who are just starting off on this road, which I'm sure, but we touched on it that gifting is going to become more important to keep teams networked and give HR managers a way of blessing their homebound employees to keep them in.
Absolutely.
Have you any empirical evidence of that happening, or is it happening that the HR managers are looking for this kind of support?
It's definitely happening, and we're getting inquiries every day from customers. The logistics of communicating with your customers and your staff who are based all over the world is it's more difficult than it was 6 months ago. So instead of branding items and dropping to one address, we're now branding and we're dropping to multiple addresses. As you know, we're part of a global organization called IGC Global Promotions. So we've been working with our partners around the world to have a seamless solution for our customers. So for instance, I was on to a company based in West Cork yesterday, but they have 127 new starts around the world, and they need to get a gift out to all of those people. So we can facilitate that either by sending them directly from Ireland or by sourcing a product in the States with our partners over there and delivering locally. So we can get over the customs and duties and the shipping issues that people have. So it's definitely the way forward, because we're going to be working from home probably for the next 12 months or so anyhow. So
in that particular transaction, you'll send on the AI file or the graphics file, and that work will be done, in the final mile, as we call it in logistics, as it'll be done there rather than here.
Yeah, I think the most important thing for the marketing and branding teams in companies is that the brand is looked after and that the printing is consistent across the world, and the product that's being chosen is consistent. So a lot of the products we deal with are global products. So if somebody picks, for instance, a Prodier pen, which is manufactured in Switzerland, that's a brand that's recognized all over the world. And so we can source the same product for companies to ensure that their staff are getting the same quality, no matter where they are in the world.
And I presume the global benchmarking group that you're part of, or the network, it's pushing them towards a catalogue of some description also, that is the standard catalogue across the territory, right?
Yes, it's looking for like-minded suppliers that want to have a base in different countries, and working in partnership with our suppliers is very important.
Well, will you tell them, for us, in our opinion, you're the best at what you do in Ireland? You know, so.
Well, we would be delighted to shout that from the rooftops, I can tell you, Kieran. It's fantastic. Thanks so much.
Congratulations. Always lovely to talk to you. A real pleasure. And to all the family that are, to your mum and dad and your sister, well done.
Mum and dad and Caroline, it's great. We've been great support to each other over the last number of years, but particularly in the last 6 months when we've, all been working from home. So thanks so much.
God bless you. Have a lovely day.
Thanks a million. Thanks, Elaine. Thanks so much.
Thank you.